So Land Rover Discovery 3 had this prop shaft centre bearing replaced a couple of years ago. It looks like it's let go of all its oil there when he split it apart, and as an MOT failure, this centre bearing has gone again, loose. So I'm going to chuck some compound in there to seal it, just to get it through its MOT. So I won't film that, but I'll take a picture when it's done. Okay, so that's the sealant in and set, and hopefully when I come back in a day or two, that should have set nicely and should have done the job. And there it is from the other side as well. Okay, so it's now Sunday. I did the repair on Friday. That seems to have set pretty solid now. It's come off quite well, and there is not much play in that shaft anymore, so hopefully that should do the trick. So 6th of January, I've got hold of the prop shaft there and that's pretty solid. It still hasn't budged yet. I haven't done that many miles, but it has been in the off-road mode as well, and that looks okay still.